Hi guys, welcome to today's video. My name is Enorita James and sewing is my hobby. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how you can effortlessly draft dress patterns for yourself. Pattern drafting is not an easy task, and a lot of people desire to make their own clothes, but because of the hours of work that is involved in pattern drafting, sometimes people just get discouraged. In my channel, I try to look for ways that can make sewing easy so that you can quickly make up something for yourself, especially if you desire it. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use a simple online dress pattern drafting system called Tailornova. Show you how you can use it to draft a simple dress. I'm not going to show you how to draft the dress in this video. This video is to actually show you how you can upload your measurements on Tailornova. Because the very first thing you need to do to be able to create your dress is, of course, to have your measurements. And that's exactly what this video is all about. If you do not know what Tailornova is, I have a full video describing to you what Tailornova is and how you can register and start free with Tailornova. So let's go straight to my computer and I'll show you how you can upload your measurements so that later in another video, I will show you how you can effortlessly create a simple blouse pattern with a simple pattern making system called Tailornova. Once you've registered for Tailornova, this is what your account looks like. It always shows you a quick start video. Now, once you've entered your account, as I said, if you do not know how to register for Tailornova, I have a video showing you how you can register with your email. It is a very simple process. Click the link that is sent to your email and it brings you to this page. Once you've clicked that link, once you watched out my video, you will understand how to get to this page. So once you're here, you can decide to just go to this lesson list and then watch how to create and save your measurement. Once you click it, this is the video, you can watch it. But this video, I actually watched it and it didn't exactly tell you the step-by-step way you can actually do that, which is why I am doing this video to show you how you can upload your measurements on Tailornova. So I'm going to close this up and I'm going to go here to where my name is and I'm going to click that. And then you're going to go here where you see 3D fit models and you're going to click on it. And once you do that, you will see create your first model and you're going to click on it. And then it's going to come up to this particular page. As you can see, the very first thing you need to do is to give a name to your model. So let me just give my name here. Put Rita 1. It is interesting for you to know that once you're on a free plan for this, you are free to create 3D fit models. That is 3 models with different sizes. Let's say you want to make a dress for your sister or your husband or your spouse. You can create 3 models with different sizes on your free plan on Tailornova. So once you've created a name there, the next thing is to find out what are you going to use. Are you going to use an inches to measure yourself? Or are you going to use centimeters? Here in Europe, I decided to use centimeters. So it depends on the tape you're using. If your tape is in inches, you click inches. If your tape is in centimeters, you click centimeters. And then this model that you're making, is it for a male or is it for a female? So you click. Since I'm doing it for myself, I've clicked female. If you're doing it for a male, maybe for your son, for your husband or whoever, you click male. But I'm doing it for female, so I click female. And then here is where you're going to add all your measurements. The very first one is your height measurement. And how do you add that? And how do you even take it? So that's the interesting thing with Tailornova. They show you here. If you come here and you click here, see, they show you how to take your heights. So all you can do is stand beside a wall without shoes, put a ruler at the top of your head, mark the place on the wall, and then use your tape, which is in inches or in centimeters, and measure. And it is this measurement that you are going to put right here. And once you have that measurement, click this and it shows you whatever your measurement is. You can use it right there. And it comes there. Let's say my measurement is 172. So I will just go and look for 172 centimeters, click it, and exactly it comes there. Bust circumference, all you have to do is to click here. And they show you how to do your bust circumference. Under bust, this is the under bust circumference. They tell you how to do that. If you want to do the full bust circumference, they show you and they actually write and tell you measure the bust at the fullest part around your body. So that's the interesting thing about it. They actually show you the instructions on how to do this. So all you have to do is to follow the instructions. So let's say my bust is, let me see. What's my bust now? My bust actually is 94 cm. That is what I've put here. My under bust normally is 81 cm. So I will just put 81 there. So you see, it's quite easy. So all you have to do is, as you go down, you just click on this upper arm circumference. You see how to measure it, where exactly to measure it. Measure the arms horizontally around the fullest part of the upper arm. So you just do that. So all you have to do is just to follow the instructions and then fill up all these measurements. This neck circumference, they actually show you how to measure it. The neck circumference, you measure it and put it. The wrist circumference, there's a particular measurement, bust height from center back. Yes, that's the measurement I've not actually done before. They call it bust height from center back. Once you click here, see the way it is done. They actually show you the way it is done. So you can see the elastic or a ribbon around your natural waist, number one. Put an elastic around your natural waist. The tie must be parallel to the floor, around your waistline when looking from the side. Center back is located at the cervical vertebrae C7. Is around here at your center back. That's where your center back is. You find out when you bend your neck, there's a kind of protruding thing at the back of your neck, and that is where you're going to start the tape from. Then measure a distance from this, your center back, over one side through the base of your neck. See here, move your tape from here, over one side through the base of your neck, and then to the box apex. So you can see this is how it looks. This is how you measure that from the back, from where you have the protrusion at the back, that bone. You come down like this with your tape up to the apex of your breast, and that is how you get this measurement. My own measurement is 39. So once you have the measurement, you now put it right there. Put 39 there. So that's essentially all you have to do. This one is almost the same thing. Let me see. It's almost the same thing. Center back is located. This. Measure distance from center back over one's. Scheiße. So my own measurement is 39, which I have put there, right there. Bust height from center back neck point. Front length of center back neck point. That one is also different. So you come here. I don't know exactly what is the major difference from this now. Measure distance from center back over one side through the base of the neck. Okay. To the also called high point shoulder. To the apex, and then to the natural waist. Okay, this comes down to the natural waist. Okay. Natural waist. Keep tape across to the body from the apex down to waist measuring. Measuring tape must be kept perpendicular. Okay, this one is from this apex, and then it crosses your bust apex, comes down. Please, when you're putting your tape over your bust, put it down under your bust here and bring it down to your waist, because I discovered that if you just let it hang straight like that, this fitting that comes under the bust might not be there. So when you're doing this measurement, just from that place, bring it over the bust, under the bust, and then get your measurement from here to there. And that's the measurement you're going to put in this particular section. So essentially, that is what you do. So you make sure that you put in all your measurements, and in these other areas like this, your belly thing, you come here, you look, and then you choose, what is your figure like. So that's what it's all about. If you have a lot of tummy, you choose this one. If you have a flat tummy, you choose this one. If your tummy is intermediate, you choose this one. And they are in alphabet. So whichever one you choose, for instance, if I choose this one is C. So I will just go there and put, where is it? Belly. I will just come down here and I'll put a C there. So that's all there is. The same thing with your behind. How does it look like? Is it like this? Is it so curved out? Is it like this? Is it like this? So whichever one it is it average? Is it curvy? You now choose the one. So me, I think I will choose curvy. And so I will now go here and I will choose curvy. So that's all there is to it in terms of putting your measurements in Tailornova. Once you are done with entering all your measurements, then you tick here. Use this model as default for new design. So it depends on you. If you want to make any new design, this is the model, the measurements that Tailornova software is going to be using. So once you're done, you just click on Save Model. Once your model has been saved, once you remove this, this is your model. So this is me now. This is my model. And this is what we are going to be using to create whatever style we want to create. So that is all it takes to actually put in your measurements in Tailornova. And that is exactly the very first thing you need to do. Now, once you're done with that, you can see how easy it is. It's not stressful. Few minutes, you do your measurements, put it in. And in my next video, I'm going to show you how to use this, your M2M measurements. M2M stands for made to measure measurements, and create a custom fit pattern for yourself. So we are going to do a very simple blouse in my next video using these measurements that we've already imputed in Tailornova. So go watch my next video.